What's going on, guys? CRYPTOCURRENCIES back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Tezos and Chainlink going back to all-time high prices once again. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis breakdown of BTC. But before I jump in this video, guys, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram. I also have a VIP Telegram, guys, where you get all my trades, analysis, exclusive videos and ongoing support from myself, guys. I only have 2 places left in my VIP group, guys, and as you can see, guys, from here, these are members profits, which they have been making killer profits over the past few weeks in VIP group. But if not, go and give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys, and all the information about VIP group can be found in there. So first of all, let me jump into Chainlink. First of all, for the people that have followed me for a while now, guys, you would know that I gave the buy order for this trade at roughly at the bottom of $1.61. If you scroll back into my previous videos, I have a video saying what coins am I buying now with a twist. So Chainlink was one of them. I highlighted this break of this trendline support here. I said I'd be looking to buy around about this area here. Price bounced to this zone here. I gave the trade call. I had this down sloping resistance as my first target. We hit it, broke above, retested, so old resistance became new support, and then we started forming this new upsloping trend line with price reaching all-time highs at roughly $4.96 on the 13th of March. But what can I see happen with prices? Is this over now, or are we going to carry on going even higher? So currently I'm going to zoom on to the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, the pattern I'm seeing forming now is a descending wedge. So a descending wedge is a bearish formation. If we do get the confirmation of a candle closure and a break to the downside, this will more likely send price back down to this area of previous resistance, which should become new support of roughly $4.33. But this is what I can kind of see happening if we do get this break to the downside. So if I get the trend based fib extension, if I get from the swing high here to the swing low, and also back to the swing high here, so it's a 3-way move, so up, down, then up again, so it gives us potential downside targets here. So as you can see, the first target highlighted coincides exactly with the 382. So if we do get a break, so that's the next line of support again with the 50%, 618, and back down the 786. I mean, the 786 is an area of interest with me because that will coincide with another bounce off this trend line before going on up. So if we do get down to this 786 and price has fallen all the way down, what will be my upside target be? So all that I would do, so I get another fib retracement, so I come from this area, so if we get a nice bounce off this trend line here, it will be an extension back to the recent high, which will give us upside targets of $5.36 and $5.84. If I bring this back down to the 786 exactly, so it gives us upside target of $5.74 and $5.31. so anything in between could be the upside targets if we do get a nice bounce, support holds, and then we can start surging back to these highs here. Also, we have the bearish cross of the MACD. So the MACD is a moving average convergence and divergence. So when the blue crosses underneath the red, that kind of shows you the upside momentum is currently slowing down, and we could be looking for a turn to the downside. So that's what I'm currently seeing for Chainlink. However, this whole theory can be invalidated, guys, because no trade call is ever accurate. Nothing's ever guaranteed, especially in cryptocurrency trading. If we do get a break out of this downsloping resistance here, out of this wedge here, and we take out this recent high here, then this whole theory will be invalidated. Then we potentially be again back in price discovery zone, and we could be looking at about price out of these rounders $5.40, $5.60, $5.80, etc., etc. Next up, we have Tezos. So Tezos, on the other hand, on the daily time frame, on the MACD, it looks like potentially we can be crossing bullish to the upside, which has coincided with a perfect retest of this up sloping support here, guys. Again, we found support, bounced off the support again, and currently we're at $3.20. So zooming in into the 4-hour time frame, I just want to kind of show you what we can currently be looking at. So if I get the fib tool up, fib retracement, so I'm going to get a fib extension from the swing high to the swing low here, and it will potentially give us the upside targets, resistance, etc, etc, what it can be looking at. Currently you can see price is finding support on the 382, and it'd be looking at, we could be potentially retesting the 618. Also looks like we are forming some type of bull flag here. So if we do get a break above this resistance here, guys, it could send us price to the upside target of the 618, $3.40, and the 786, and even higher to the top side resistance of $3.96, where we peaked out the other day. So these are my upside targets. However, if we do get a breakdown, it wouldn't surprise me if price can find back support at roughly about $2.74 before current upside. But however, with Tezos, I'm currently favoring the upside. If we do get a strong break to the upside, the ultimate target will be the $3.96. Next up, we have BTC. So with BTC, we're currently finding resistance on previous resistance. Old resistance became new support, resistance, and is currently finding resistance again. And we are currently sandwiched in this zone here. So to me, a break's imminent. So if we do get a break to the upside, my target has to be where we found previous support will become new resistance. Anything from 9,500 to 9,600. If we do get a strong break to the upside, that is definitely my upside target. As you can see, price once again is retesting this zone. However, if we do break under, then we have support at roughly 8,900 and further down at 8,691. But for the moment, I'm kind of favoring the upside. And also you can see every time we've had a break of down sloping resistance, we've had a strong break, price consolidated. Again, if I just move this over again, you can see again we moved up, price broke out of resistance and it's found the next target. So to me, it makes more sense that we're gonna attempt to break out of this resistance here of roughly 9,150 to retest the 9,600, where, to be honest, we have a lot of resistance will be in this zone here. However, if we do break above, also have the target. So price was forming this lower high trajectory, and it won't surprise me if that's an area that we find resistance again. You can see again this area lines up perfectly with a retest of this down sloping resistance, and also with this area of previous support should now turn new resistance. So that is my upside target. So a little recap. So Tezos, I'm favoring the upside if we get a break out of this bull flag. Link, if we do break under, these will be my downside targets with a potential retest of this trend line before going back to all-time highs. So once again, don't forget to give me a follow on my free Telegram, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoyed it, and see you guys on the next one. Crypto Chris over and out.